I think you look at what happened last Friday. The government crossed the line. They started buying the market. So I think we're at the beginning of the end of this correction. What's happening is there is actually only sellers in the market. There are no buyers. And the government will continue buying until market stabilizes. However, this is not going to happen overnight. The market is still relatively expensive. You look at on a PE basis, ex the banks, the A-share market is still about 30 times PE. There are people who want to sell still, and you need to let the margin financing unwind. So I still see downside for the A-share market at this level.
If I would have to buy right now, today, I would buy, I think China offers a tremendous opportunity to buy some of these quality stocks.
Really? You would go into China?
I would go to China, yeah. MSCI China, that's the universe I look at. It's now trading just over 10 times earnings. It's not expensive. We're overweight. So if I would have a portfolio, I need to add something to it, I would continue to add on to Chinese stocks.
We're testing the 200-day right here again at 2055. It feels like it wants to hold here. We had great action out of Europe. Those markets closed better than 2%. My sense is that we're gonna close here or a little bit higher. I don't think it's going to get weaker into the belt. We've already started the earnings season. We got Alcoa, which surprised nicely on revenues. Pepsi today,
but it missed profit expectations.
Missed their profit, but yet their revenues were better. And Klaus Kleinfeld was very, very bullish on his outlook. Pepsi today was great numbers, and so it sounds to me like there's a lot of nervousness for maybe not. People shouldn't be so concerned.
If you look at the expectations for the second quarter, they're very muted. We're only looking for earnings to rise about 2.5%. Revenues of about 4%. But if you look back to the first quarter, we're sort of entering it in the same fashion where banks, again, financials in general were expected to be about flat, but the banks were able to lift that. And I think you see a lot of the positive trends from the first quarter trickling into the second quarter.